The Alenia C-27 Spartan is one of those aircraft that doesn't always grab headlines, but it absolutely earns its keep. It's a tactical airlifter, designed to go where larger transports like the C-130 Hercules can't. With its short takeoff and landing capability, the Spartan can get into rugged, unprepared airstrips, even those tucked away in tight valleys or out in the bush. For a lot of missions, especially in remote or disaster-struck areas, that kind of access is a game changer.
Okay, so a nice low, clean pass from Spartan here.
The Royal Australian Air Force started taking deliveries of the C-27J in 2015, and the idea was to replace the old DHC-4 Caribou, which had been a workhorse for decades. The Spartan offered a modern solution, faster, more reliable, and compatible with the kinds of joint operations Australia regularly takes part in, both regionally and with allies like the US and NATO partners. This aircraft is no slouch. It's powered by a pair of Rolls-Royce AE 2100 turboprop engines, the same ones used on the C-130J, and that gives it a top speed of around 600 kilometers per hour. It's compact but tough, with a payload capacity of about 11,500 kilograms. That means it can carry troops, supplies, vehicles, or even perform aeromedical evacuations. Its cockpit is fully modernized too, with digital avionics and night vision compatibility, making it ideal for both day and night operations.
So if you know where the Iroquois is, you can find the hammer, then go get yourself a prize. Okay, passing the rear door over to the side,
One of the Spartan's standout features is its ability to operate in austere environments. It doesn't need paved runways or elaborate ground support. It was built to touch down on dirt strips, gravel roads, or damaged airfields. For the RAAF, that's critical, especially when responding to natural disasters in the Pacific or delivering aid to remote Indigenous communities in Northern Australia. It also integrates well into humanitarian missions and peacekeeping operations, where flexibility is everything. The Australian Spartans are flown by No. 35 Squadron, based at RAAF Base Amberley in Queensland. Known as Wallaby Airlines back in their Vietnam War days, 35 Squadron has a proud history of tactical airlift. Today, they carry on that legacy with the Spartan, delivering critical support both at home and abroad. Whether it's moving personnel into rugged terrain or flying aid into cyclone-hit communities, the Spartan keeps things moving when other aircraft can't. At airshows, such as classic fighters at Omaka Aerodrome in New Zealand, the Spartan really shows off its agility, tight turns, steep climbs, and short landings that surprise people who expect a cargo plane to behave like a lumbering giant. But this isn't just a mini Hercules, it's a purpose-built platform for missions where versatility, speed, and toughness matter more than size. When you see one flying, you're watching a modern workhorse in action, built to go where others won't, and to do it fast. The Italian-built C-27 isn't just a favourite of the Australian Defence Force. Air forces around the world have adopted it for its ruggedness and adaptability. Countries like Italy, the United States, Peru, and Lithuania operate the Spartan in a variety of roles, from troop and cargo transport to search and rescue, maritime patrol, and even electronic warfare. Its versatility makes it a solid choice for nations that need a reliable airlifter but don't have the runway infrastructure for bigger aircraft like the C-130 or the A400M.
Join us on our full advert-free streaming service at historicalmachines.tv, where you'll find lots more great footage just like this, all for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per month.